Okay, so we are gonna be going to the dollar store.
Then I want to do the
Okay, cool.
take a picture.
Okay.
Hey,
Alright. And we're off. Sweet. Ooh, a van. What? We're not underwater.
that's the old guy across the street.
No. I'm just looking out the out the window. What are you doing, Morton? We don't need to.
Sierra.
Oh my god, I fell! The car's going down its own, oh my god!
You're going in the car wash.
Yes, we are, Morton.
Car wash.
Shut up. But yes, we're going into the car wash. I really should get back in the front seat before the cops come and just give me a ticket.
No, you go to jail.
Yeah, I know, that's really bad. I'ma get in the front.
I see the other car. I see the other car. I see
We
the
could've got
other
that a
car.
long time
I
ago.
see the other car. I see the other car. I see the other car. It was
Only
find
fuck,
something.
ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, we're entering the car wash. Yo, what is wrong with you?
Some car wash.
Oh my god!
It's Joseph! Oh!
Oh my god, it's Eleanor!
Colin!
I'ma get it! Okay, what now?
Game for bubbles.
Well, I'm just looking out the window and I don't see anything.
Look at this soap on the big
So
meter.
where can you? Where
It
can
says
you-
stop.
You're lazy ass. You have no job.
Well, Koopa and Toad aren't really talking, so cool.
You have more than half of the department. You have more than half.
Um,
You're an idiot.
We're getting
it says
soap.
pre-soak.
No one's
And
gonna
then
get
we're
it.
getting.
Yo, what is it? Yo, what are you doing?
Would you
No,
say?
watch
It's
Jet.
free?
Watch Jet. I can't see. Oh my god, it smells like someone just peed all over the car. Oh, what the hell? It smells like someone just took a piss all over the car.
It doesn't smell very nice.
Yeah, it smells fine.
It smells like gas.
Who knows we were going to a car wash? I did. Oh. Oh no! Ah!
What state you gonna go? You know nothing. You know nothing about North Carolina.
I think they're doing the rainbow bubbles.
Yo, it's blue.
I've never been in North Carolina. I've been in North Carolina.
Oh no! Oh no!
Virginia.
Oh my god.
San Diego.
Come on.
Come on, rainbow bubbles. Come on.
Someone help us. What is that? What is that?
It's
Yo, what is that? No! Yo, don't touch me!
Don't touch me.
Ah! I'm dying!
I'm
I'm
getting
dying!
kicked out of
Ah!
Ah! Ah! It's unicorn poo.
Oh my god! I think Jenna just died! Oh my god!
Does it smell minty?
It's a bomb!
It's a
It's a bomb! Ah! It's a bomb! It's a bomb! Oh my god!
It smells.
I'm gonna die! Help me!
It's coming back.
Oh no!
It's coming
The
back.
car's melting! Ah! Oh, it stopped the melting! Oh no! Oh no! Uh-oh!
Toad, it's fine.
Ah!
It's just bubbles.
Ah!
The bubbles you take in your bath.
I don't take a bath! Ah!
You even,
Ah! 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 Ah!
you even clean yourself.
No!
I clean myself and myself.
Yo, what is going on? Someone's about to light a bomb in here.
I'm like vibrating.
Seville beat Barcelona. What the?
Orange!
Yo, oh my god! I told you they were lighting us on fire! Oh my god! Ah!
Dance!
Oh, that was a light.
That was-
And then I have a lot of 6.9.
Whew.
We're gonna get sprayed by those things.
Oh my god!
Friday.
Ah, they're
Ah!
shooting us.
Oh,
They're
that's not
doing it.
scary.
Oh.
We're all gonna die! Ah!
We're not gonna die. Are we dying? Oh no!
Help me! Ah! Ah! Yo, what is with Toad,
I think he's scared of water.
help me!
Look at that!
Ooh, somebody help me! No.
Just close your freaking eyes.
Help me!
Well, that's what they said. I don't see anything.
Oh, look, we're getting.
Toad, you need to shut up, and I gotta get back to the living. Ah, actually, yeah, you do. Because how do you think it's gonna pull you forward? It's just gonna like hook up under the car and drag you.
That's what it does.
No, it
Not
doesn't.
like hundreds, 100,000.
Look, it said stop. Oh.
Ah, that's a bomb. Ah! Oh,
Vibrating in there.
oh, we're leaving. Yay! I survived. Oh my god!
Ah! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Yo, it's a damn magnet.
Oh my god!
The wind. How is wind getting inside a car?
Ah!
Ow! God help me! Ah! Wait, Mario, help me! How are we gonna get out? Mario, I'm gonna save you. Ah! I got you. All right, the wind's gone. I got to go to live. Ah, la la la. Yo, how is Morton not getting sucked up? Yo, how? Oh no! Oh no! Ah!
I'll take off my spell. Ow.
Yo, we're about to fall.
Yeah, she was straight his head.
Oh. Okay, Mario, is the next stop the dollar store? Yes, it is. Sweet.
The motherboard. Yeah.
Well, it's sorry to break it to you guys. We're not going to the dollar store.
What we usually bought a mess.
Yes. So yeah, we're just going to the. So yeah, I was just taking you to go to the car wash. That's it. Oh. Thank you for watching this video.
Yeah.
We don't have to wear masks. I don't even know why we are.
I don't know why you're doing it, but
Oh. But yeah,
Because you thought you were going into the dollar store.
yeah. So that kind of got canceled.
okay. Next time.
So good to have a mask.
There you go. Send file.
So yeah. Well, that's gone forever.
Okay.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll
I think if I send it to
see you in the
WhatsApp,
next
you'll
one.
open it.
Goodbye.